Let's talk about Helldivers, error code, also fix. Online not working in a simple and calm way will go step by step.
But hold your ground, fellow Helldiver. We're dipping deep into the trenches to uncover effective solutions and troubleshooting steps that will get you back to stratagem calling and but blasting in no time, ensuring Super Earth's freedom is never compromised.
First things first, before you panic, always check the official Helldivers social media channels or community forums for server status updates. Often error code simply means the servers are overwhelmed or undergoing maintenance. If the servers look clear, head over to Steam, right-click Helldivers. Go to Properties and verify the integrity of your game files. This simple step can fix corrupted data that might be preventing you from connecting.
Sometimes the most frustrating errors have the simplest solutions, and that often means a full system reset. Close Helldivers completely, then restart your core console. Crucially, don't forget to power cycle your router and modem, unplugging them for at least 30 seconds before plugging them back in. This clears out old network caches and can often resolve stubborn connection issues.
Your local network settings can be a hidden culprit. Make sure Helldivers is allowed through your Windows, firewall, or any third-party antivirus software you might be using. For a more stable connection, consider changing your DNS to a public server like Google DNS, Android, or Cloudflare. Though these small tweaks can sometimes bypass routing issues causing the download error.
If you've tried everything else and still can't join the fight, the full reinstallation of Helldivers might be your last resort. It's a hassle, but a fresh install often results deeper, more persistent file corruption or installation issues the standard verification can touch. Just remember to ensure your game progress is properly cloud saved before you hit that uninstall button. Hopefully this ultimate reset gets you back to spreading democracy.